Okay everyone, let's go and create the text and do the working. For text, we paste that to ChatGPT and ask it, or any another AI, and ask it, please create a 3-paragraph text with title about this title for presentation. Okay, and we just wait for the magic to be happened. We wait. You can also click on reason, but we don't need. Can you give each paragraph a title? Okay, we have the data we need. We just copy that and paste it here in the text, and then we copy the titles. First one here, paste it here. Second one here, paste it here. The third one here and paste it here. Okay, we make it bold and we select all the shapes. Set the text in the center, increase it in size, make it unbold, go to text format, give them this format, and then color them white. Okay, our slide is ready, but is it our slide? No, we want to add a transition to it. How? We copy that. What we do here and here, we reduce the color of the background to this thing. Okay, good. And we just make another copy of it, and then here we increase it in size a little. I tell you, a little. Sorry, a little. And then increase the size of this text just like this. Okay, and then what we do, we go to this slide and set the transparency to none and increase the size of this text and this slide also. And we go here in the last slide, we increase it in size and increase the slide size a little. And here we make the transparency a little lower. Here make it transparency a little lower. Then set the transition to morph. Let's see what is happening. You see some in-out transition and it's look great. And we created our transition about them, and we also have the text we want to read. I teach you how to read the text. Because of that, I escape this time and go to create the third time 4 challenges in the next videos, and I escape these 4 now. Okay, until then, don't forget, if you like our videos, like and subscribe and ask me if you need anything. I will answer you immediately. Until then, have a nice time.